Hello back again. Well, I'll be going through on the SSH part now. Well, to connect to the machine, you need to have a Linux machine like, Kali Linux. Since you're using TrackMe and stuff, you'll be having Kali Linux probably, but not always like Parrot OS. Then we have the Fedora, Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS and all. Yeah, Red Hat has been stopped, right? So CentOS or the Windows machine itself, you gotta install it in the VirtualBox. You have plenty of tons of videos in YouTube on how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox, how to install and this and that stuff and all. So you can watch one of the videos and install it here. And the main thing that I should say that this is my ASAS is my SAS is my uh, Paratois machine. So I just want to remind you that change the network to bridged adapter on this and the Ubuntu server. So on Ubuntu server, change it to bridged adapter and the Paratois. So after you changed it to Paratois, so simply if you are logged in, then you can find the IP address of the server like this, IP-A or the ifconfig command. So it states that 192.168.8.107. So that will be my IP address for now. So in case if probably we'll be giving a handy password for the user in the server. So what are we if the password is so complex, then we can find the IP address through like this too, sudo nmap, and my IP address gonna be like, let me get that too. Yeah, so my IP address is this one. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do nmap scanning sudo nmap, then 19, let me paste it over here. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the scan /24, which means that it's gonna scan all the ports, sorry, all the IP addresses from 192.168.8.0 to 8.255. So it will scan all the devices that are connected in this IP address and list out it all. So the way how we are going to find the IP address of the server is through the name. So Oracle VirtualBox Virtual NIC is our server name, and it's 192.168.8.107, and these are the two ports that are open. So in case if the 22 open SSH or any of these ports are not here, then you have to configure the UFW firewall by allowing these ports to be open for from anywhere. That's how the UFW firewall should be. So after getting the IP address, what we're going to do is that we have the 22 open SSH, which means that we can connect to the server from here onwards. So we can do the simple SSH command. So let me just clear it out. And where is the zoom in button? Control plus plus. All right. So I'm gonna do the sudo SSH, then my username at IP address was 168.8.107 as I remember. Oops, alright, we're gonna do this one, copy, paste, all done. Then the SSH command, yes, then the password gonna be, so we are logged into the system. You can, sorry, so we are logged into the system. We'll continue from here on the next video. Thank you.